Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Swing Away Kit is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for boat trailers, offering unparalleled convenience and maneuverability. This handy kit allows you to easily swing the tongue of your trailer to the side, making it significantly easier to access your garage, storage area, or even just to hitch and unhitch your boat without the hassle of maneuvering a large trailer in tight spaces. In this video, we will explore the benefits, installation process, and key factors to consider when choosing the right swing-away tongue kit for your boat trailer. Number 5. Bastion Power Jack. This is the Bastion Power Tongue Jack, perfect for your trailer, camper, or boat. It's designed for easy and safe operation, day or night. Enjoy the convenience of electric operation or use the included crank handle for manual operation. It gives you options depending on your needs. With a robust A-frame design and a 3,500 pounds capacity, it's built to handle heavy loads with ease and stability. The integrated front-facing LED light makes it easy to use even in low-light conditions. It ensures safe and convenient operation at night. It features an extendable footpad for stability on uneven surfaces and includes safety features like star washers and a cotter pin for added security. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. This versatile jack is ideal for a variety of applications, including trailers, campers, boats, and more. It simplifies your setup process. This jack is a direct replacement for part number BJ3500B, making upgrading or repairing your equipment simple. What we like. It features both electric and manual operation for convenience. The integrated LED light enhances visibility during nighttime use. If you need a robust jack with versatile operation and improved safety features for your boat trailer, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to mount and hook up. I have only used a few times but works great. Had the manual tongue jack and after a few turns you can feel your forearm cramping up. This really helps. The installation was very easy and instructions were clear. The speed of the lift was moderate but good enough. Installation is a breeze. Grounds through trailer frame, thus only one wire to connect. It has an internal 25 amp breaker, so an external fuse, breaker or relay is not required. Number 4. Fulton HDPB330101 Kit. This kit is a game changer for trailer owners. It easily converts your standard trailer tongue into a convenient fold-away design. It's incredibly simple to use. Just fold it away when not in use, saving you valuable space. It's built to last. The heavy-duty hinges are precisely machined from die-cast steel for superior strength and durability. It's designed to fit 3x3 trailer tongues, ensuring a perfect and secure fit. Make sure your tongue's material thickness is between 0.188 inch and 0.120 inch. Important note, it only works with trailer tongues made of steel. Please ensure compatibility before purchase. Installation is a breeze. It's a simple bolt-on application, and a complete instruction manual and all mounting hardware are included. It's incredibly strong. This kit has a 5,000 pounds weight capacity, giving you peace of mind. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing coupler. No need to replace or modify your current setup. What we like. Its innovative fold-away design saves space. The heavy-duty hinges ensure durability and stability. If you are looking for a space-saving solution for your trailer tongue that doesn't compromise on strength, this is a great choice. What people say. I bought this item because the front trailer beam for my boat was super long and required the boat to be stored at an angle in my garage. Now I don't have to, which allows the car to fit better. It took nearly 4 foot off the end, making it a lot more compact when it folds back. Simple installation instructions for anyone with intermediate mechanics skills. Transfer punch to center punch, the mounting hole and Torx bit included in the kit. Number 3. Fulton F2 Twin Jack. Say hello to effortless trailer maneuvering. This jack is built to withstand even the toughest conditions, making your towing experience smoother and safer. It's designed to last. The internal and external components have a protective coating, so it can handle harsh environments without rusting. Comfort meets strength. The crank, release pin, and wheel wedge are made of durable, yet comfortable-to-use engineered plastic. This jack boasts a robust twin-track wheel design, providing a 1,600-pound capacity. It offers 10 inches of screw travel and 8 inches of mount travel for versatile use. We stand behind its quality. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Experience the difference. This jack makes light work of heavy trailers, simplifying your towing tasks. What we like. It boasts a unique twin-track wheel design for smooth operation. The corrosion-resistant coating ensures longevity. If you prioritize durability in a smooth, reliable jacking mechanism for your boat trailer, consider this one. What people say. The wheel is stout enough, wide enough and rolls easily on smooth paved surfaces. The wheel lock is very effective and kept my 3,000 pounds craft from moving at all. The rotate release mechanism allows you to rotate it to set notched positions from 0 to 90 degrees relative to the ground. This is the first lift I have ever seen that has a handle lock. This is a nice feature to prevent the handle from dancing for miles while you are towing it. If you have to move your boat and trailer around in your garage, this is the tongue jack to buy. Because it's also aluminum, no rust problems. The dual wheels actually roll and spin sideways when you want them to, unlike a lot of single-wheel units that you have to kick the wheel to turn it sideways. Number 2. Bastion BD-1000SW-SM. This heavy-duty jack makes launching and loading your boat a breeze. Its robust design and smooth operation will save you time and effort. It features a swivel mount for easy positioning, no matter the angle of your trailer. This ensures stability and secure placement. The side-wind crank provides a smooth, efficient lifting experience. You'll appreciate the ease of use, even with heavier boats. Its large 6-inch wheel allows for easy movement across uneven terrain. This makes positioning your trailer simple and convenient. With a 1,000 pounds capacity, it's built to handle a wide range of boats. The chrome finish adds a touch of style and durability. It adjusts from 10 to 1.2 to 20 to 1.2 inches to accommodate various trailer tongues. It fits tongues from 3 to 5 inches wide. Purchase with confidence. It comes with a 6-month warranty for your peace of mind. We stand behind its quality and performance. Order your Bastion boat trailer jack today and experience the difference. Remember the part number for easy ordering, BD-1000SW-SM. What we like. This offers a convenient swivel mount for easy access. The side-wind crank handle makes operation effortless. If you need a compact and easy-to-use jack for smaller boats or applications, this is a good option. What people say. Installed this on our tow dolly to help me handle the dolly when disconnecting it from our motorhome. Easy to install and made well. Easy to install and very good quality. Number 1. Fulton HDPB330101 Hinge Kit. This is the Fulton HDPB330101 fold-away hinge kit, perfect for custom trailer applications. It's designed for strength and ease of use. With a massive 5,000 pounds capacity, it can handle heavy-duty trailers with ease. It's built to last. This kit is designed for a weld-on installation, offering secure and permanent connection. Installation is straightforward and efficient. The 2x3 hinge size provides a robust pivot point. It's the perfect size for many applications. It features a unique, patent-pending offset design for superior performance. This design enhances its strength and durability. It's compatible with actuators and standard coupler applications. This makes it a versatile option for various trailer setups. It's an ideal choice for OEMs looking for a high-quality, reliable hinge kit. It's a convenient option for custom trailer designs. Remember to always consider the gross trailer weight when selecting your hinges. Ensure it's within the hinge's capacity for safe operation. What we like. It's a robust weld-on design ideal for custom builds. The heavy-duty hinges provide superior strength and stability. If you're building a custom trailer and need a strong, reliable pivot system, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked perfectly. Slipped right over everything, and I like the weld on or bolt on option. This is my fourth Fulton fold away. This is the first weld on fold away. I like the weld on better because you don't have to drill so many holes. Works perfect for my boat trailer. Highly recommend to anyone looking for a fold away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.